اجي كيما على بالكم كامل وكيما كاين دي جو ما على بالهمش اجي سي هذا العام سي فيرسيون كي ديدي موبايل هكا مانيش غلط. دونك généralement les appareils mobiles ils sont moins performants que les autres appareils, c'est-à-dire les PC ou les consoles. Donc c'est pour ça qu'on a visé la simplicité de le jeu. Donc il y a une philosophie derrière la simplicité, mais une des raisons c'est que les appareils mobiles il faut faire un jeu qui est moins compliqué, qui est en 2 dimensions, c'est-à-dire donc شاهد من أهلها les jeux اللي راهم ناجحين في الموبايل هنا هذا سي مصدر موثوق IGN Imagine Game Network. دونك les jeux اللي راهم ناجحين كيما راكم تشوفوا هنا best games by platform 2014 هذه لو ريتينغ هذا يديروه في لا فان داني ستادير تاع 2015 مازالوا ما داروش. دونك هادو هما البيست جيمز. عندكم فريز هي الجو اللي خدموا عليها 2048 اللي ما على بالوش. كاين فريم سي ان جو كي فورميدابل يعني نصيحه مني اسيو. كاين مونيومنت فالي كاين كينغدوم راش هما تعرفوا كينغدوم راش. دونك هادو سي دي جو sur mobile, c'est-à-dire iOS, Android, Windows Phone. Donc, my game is saying that my ancestor is a legend. Yes, a few time ago, this last summer, actually, we made a game for a competition that is Panara. It's a competition between the Arabic country and fortunately or unfortunately, well, fortunately we won the first prize, and it was the first time an Algerian game win this competition. It was the first time ever, and so the game we made for this competition is based on my game, which called Help Me Stop the Chaos. So our game today is based on this game. Next. This is the logo. So next, another next. Thank you. Another one. So what did we use to make this game? We used a Game Maker Studio. Actually, I got a $800 version of Game Maker. So don't envy me, okay? And I'm using it, and with this version of Game Maker, which I got as a prize for the competition that I just mentioned, I'm gonna use it to export my game on the platforms, on all the platforms that I see my game is gonna be good at. So we used Box2D. It's not actually Box2D, it's an overridden version of Box2D. So let's stick on Box2D because most of people knows Box2D as it is. So next one, we used the Inkscape. You all know it. It's a Victoria image editing tool, and it's free. Everybody knows that it's free. So till now, I'm going legal. Next one. So we used Renoise. Renoise is a paid music and sound editing tool. But we got okay, skip it please. 100% legal. So now for the demonstration of the game. I'm gonna play the game on PC. Well, I got the version if you want to play the version on mobile. So I'm gonna play my game. Just 1 second. Sorry, I forgot to take a selfie. Unbelievable. I'm so confused. Okay, here's the game, and it's working great. It's working so smooth on mobile and on PC. I'm gonna play the game actually with my gamepad, my grandfather's gamepad here. So, can I get the microphone, please? Microphone. Developer comments. Thank you. So, as you can see here, who did that? Who did that? Name, please. Sorry for all the technical stuff. So as you can see, our game is going to be we sent a request to ESRB for what the hell is that? So we just, as I said, we sent a request to ESRB to rate our game. So I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna start playing now. I'm on gamepad here, so I'm gonna press start instead of enter. Okay. So as you can see here, I give the player. We have no dialog boxes. We have no text. We have nothing to give to the player. We just try to transmit messages to him just by the environment. So here we put the player in a blank level. So if you try to go to the bound, you'll see that the level will reset, as you can see here. So you'll figure out yourself that the player cannot jump. It's just about sliding down with these triangle shape slides. So you'll figure out that by standing a while next to those rounded zones with flags and stuff, you will win the level. Here, I said that the player cannot jump, but I did not say that he cannot use physics. So he can use physics to jump, actually. Ouch. Yes. Here is another dialogue without text. It's a silent dialogue. So here you are telling the player that you have to accelerate, then change the direction of rotation. If you will not do this, then here's another silent dialogue. So here you will try to get through this chain wall. Then you will try to do something to reach that flag. So here I make sure that the player recognizes that this is an obstacle. Actually, this is a freaking obstacle. So you have to make it out of your road. Then you will be able to reach that. Oh my god! Oh my god! I lose time. Get on the way. Get on the way. You freaking ball. Yes! Yes! I deserve a medal for this. This is another silent dialogue. Here's one of my friends tried to do this. Are you nuts? So here I'm stuck. I will restart the level and try something tricky. Look at this. Check it out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stand. Yes. Oh yeah. Say my name. This is another silent dialogue. Oh. Enough silent dialogue. The player here will try to get to the other side and make his famous jump. Okay, here you'll try to jump. Oh no, you cannot do it. So you'll figure out that you need 4 blocks. I mean, you need to start running from this transportation block, right? This. next one is a puzzle using this component, but check this out. So you have to wait for it to get to the other side, then do your famous power up. Whoa! Excuse me, I'm gonna. Oh, this is the vehicle, and it permit. The next puzzle, this I start here to communicate with the player and tell him that you have two choices. You can go from the downside, which is a bad choice. It's very hard to reach it from there. وإذا كان عندك البرميت تقدر تروح من الفوق. مفيش problem. No, I want to skip this level to I'll keep on the presentation.
Upcoming features, adding multiple graphics style. Again, I'm loving.
Next. So, for the upcoming, yes, sorry. Okay, thank you very much. So, upcoming features. We have a lot of upcoming features for our game. So we'll fuse it with the business plan and talk in a hurry. So I'm going to add a multiple graphic style. Some people don't like this minimalistic flat design. So I'm going to add, for those who don't like the flat design, I'm going to add with them multiple skins. Like you can win, you can play the game in some forest, in some, so, next thing, I'm going to add a level editor, and this is a very, very important approach for our game. It's the future of our game, actually. So, I'm going to add it, I'm going to speak about it, I'm going to develop it. So, the next thing is adding a multiplayer feature, like you play with someone else using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi in the same level. So, you race him, it's a race to that, who reaches the flag first wins the level. It's totally possible, and we have some not ready demonstration for that. We are going to add an auto. It's under construction. This one, an auto rate system. So for the level editor, you will build your own levels. So there must exist some automatic methods for calculating the best time for doing that level. Next one. Next. So here is how we are going to get money for our game. We are not going to sell it because no one will buy it in Algeria, and I'm sure of that. So we are going to use some different approach. We are going to, yes, I know you will do it. A different approach. We are going to use to get help from mobile operators. So, skip, next. So, skip. Here's my phone, here's the operator. Next. So, I will type a code. So, this code will be sent and I will get minus 5 dinars, for example. Next. I'll send a message. They send me a token, which is a code. Next. Yes. And I get this code. Show me the code. Show me the code, please. Yes. And I enter this code to the game. This code can, this token allow me to create a level using the level editor. It can also allow me to participate in a duel. So 5 dinars for a duel. And sorry. Can I use the questions to keep?